Today I am working on one of Beth's costumes, and I am using this lovely printed cotton. I really like it. It's a nice yellow, and I have done a mock-up of the bodice already and tried it on our actress. And so now what I'm going to do, I'm actually using the same pattern that for the bodice that I used for Amy's dress, but I'm changing it. I'm not going to do the like gathered front. I'm just going to have a plain front. So I'm using the lining pieces for the bodice pieces. So I added enough extra so that I can have a button overlap or snaps or something to the bodice. And then I'm going to do the long sleeves, and this time I'm not going to have sleeves. I have decided. So please, sleeve gods, be nice to me. I cut out my skirt panels already. I'm using 3 panels, full width of the fabric, which is 40 something inches, whatever the normal cotton fabric width is. I'm not sure. So I'm using 3 panels so it will close in the back, and I have enough fabric left over for a waistband, and I also have enough for cuffs for the sleeves if I want to do cuffs. I'm still deciding if I want to do cuffs or if I just want to gather them and then edge them with piping, but we shall see. I'm going to go ahead and pin and sew my skirt panels together, and then I will cut out the waistband and get the skirt gathered down to the waistband, and then I will get to work on the bodice. Okay, for Beth's bodice, I altered the neckline. I haven't completely altered it because I wanna get it sewn together before I decide. I think I'm just gonna do like a curve, just like kind of a high neckline here. But I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna put it on the dress form and mark it before I cut that off. But we're just going to, like I said, have buttons or hooks and eyes or hooks and bars up the front. I'm gonna do my darts. I'm gonna bone it, but not, I'm gonna put a bone here, and then I'll put bones in the side seams. And I think that's it. I don't think I'm gonna put any in the back. Alright, I got my sleeves put together. I am leaving off adding a cuff or anything for now until I do a final fitting. Make sure the sleeves are a good length, and I'm about to set my sleeves in. right, I got my sleeve set in and I am waiting to finish this bodice until I have my final try on with our actress. So skirt is done, got it hemmed, it needs to be ironed, but just so it's very close to being done. I finished up Beth's bodice. I added the piping around the waistline and I liked the way it looked here, so I added it there and around the neckline, and then I added decorative buttons. This closes with snaps, and so Beth's costume is now complete.